Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic, rustic inspired farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Country chic rustic farmhouse decor is a warm, charming and stylish blend of country cottage elegance, rustic farmhouse character and chic vintage softness. It mixes natural textures, distressed finishes, cozy elements, and graceful decor touches to create a home that feels welcoming, relaxed, and beautifully timeless. Hot Country Chic Rustic Farmhouse Decor is a fusion of country plus rustic plus chic. Country uses soft colors, cozy fabrics, floral patterns, and simple comforts. Rustic uses earthed oats, exposed textures, handmade or distressed furniture. Chic, polished accents, crowded styling, whitewashed finishes, and elegant touches. This style blends rough and refined elements perfectly. Materials that define the style: reclaimed oak, wicker and rattan, galvanized metal, distressed or whitewashed timber, linen, burlap, and cotton, soft old straws. The combination creates warmth and authenticity. Color palette: Country Chic Rustic Farmhouse uses white and off-white, soft beige, cream, and taupe. Uses pastel grays, dusty blues, shell greens, warm earth tones. The palette stays light, calming, and natural. Furniture features: distressed cabinets and tables, farmhouse dining tables, vintage cottage chairs, open shelving with own textures. Uses slip-covered sofas, iron or wooden bed frames. Furniture looks loved, lived-in, and timeless. Decor elements: antique finds, messengers with flowers, oven baskets, rustic lanterns, enamel art, farmhouse sign, handmade crafts. It is layered but still airy and uncluttered. Atmosphere it creates: cozy, welcoming, romantic, light, nostalgic, and harmonious. It feels like a charming farmhouse cottage with chic elegance. Why this style work best? Living rooms, country kitchen, bedrooms with soft vintage charm. Also, entryways with rustic plus chic accents, small cottages, farmhouse-inspired homes. Here is more in-depth expert-level information about country chic rustic farmhouse decor, expanding your understanding of its design's philosophy, styling principles, and signature details. Deeper insight into country chic rustic farmhouse decor core design philosophy. Country chic farmhouse decor is rooted in comfort over perfection, beauty in imperfection, like distressed oud, uneven textures, and vintage wire. Nature-inspired simplicity, mixing rustic rawness with feminine elegance. It celebrates the warmth of farmhouse living, but refines it with soft chic charm and light aesthetics. Texture layering, the most important element. This style relies heavily on rich texture mixing, rustic textures, ordered oak beams, chipped paint, rough hewn furniture, stone, brick, or shiplap walls. Chic and soft textures, linen curtains, cotton slipcovers, crochet and lace accents, soft cozy quilts. Natural elements: oven to jugs, baskets, dried flowers, fresh greenery. The contrast between rough and soft gives the style its unique charm. Signature color strategy. Unlike pure farmhouse, whose can be dark, or pure country, whose can be bright, country chic rustic farmhouse uses neutral, calm pastel tones like ivory, soft cream, cloudy white, peely gray, dusty shades, muted blush, and antique blue. These colors create a fresh but vintage feeling. Furniture aesthetic aged elegant and functional. Furniture often looks like it has a story. Common features time-worn finishes, whitewashed dressers, farmhouse tables with turned legs, cane or wicker accent chairs, iron bed frames, vintage display cabinets with glass doors. Even imperfect or mismatched pieces feel intentional. Decorative accents that define the look. This decor style trips through carefully chosen accents, vintage character pieces like old clocks, trunks and chest, antique picture frames, farmhouse enamel jugs, galvanized metal buckets. Soft cottage touches, crochet towels, floral cushions, pastel ceramics, delicate candle holders. Natural country essentials, fresh or dried flowers, often trays, earthenware pots. Those elements give the home a blend of veritas plus softness plus rustic beauty. Lighting style. Lighting plays a big role in creating the warm, chic ambience. Preferred lighting styles: lustrous oak candlelights, lantern style pendants, metal case lights, soft glowworm bulbs, candle style lights. The lighting is warm and atmospheric, never harsh. The feeling it creates in a home. Country chic rustic farmhouse decor creates a home that feels inviting like a country cottage, warm like a traditional farmhouse, soft like cottage chic. Also airy like a modern vintage home, dramatic with delicate touches, story rich with antique pages. It is a style that appeals to those who love history, comfort, vintage charm, and natural warmth all together. Advanced details of country chic rustic farmhouse decor, architectural features that strengthen the style. Even if you can't remodel, understanding this feature helps you intimate the look. Shiplap or chunk and groove wall paneling. Farm style interior windows. This add instant farmhouse character. Doors and windows. Barn style sliding door. Softly framed vintage windows. White or light stained oak trims. Windows are often left simple to let in natural light. The rule of authentic imperfection, a major rule in rustic farmhouse chic, is that not everything should look new. Designer purposely include slight scratches, distressed paint, mismatched knobs, patina metals, reclaimed wood. This creates a lived-in, cozy, story-filled charm. But the chic element prevents the home from looking messy. Everything still feels crowded and soft. Nature integration, a key chic farmhouse element. Unlike modern farmhouse, a clean, black, white, country chic rustic farmhouse highlights natural life, includes plants in clay pots, herbs hanging near kitchen windows, dried lavender or eucalyptus, wicker baskets with fruits, floral fabrics, and art. The idea bring the countryside indoors. Styling strategy, balanced contrast. Professional designers use a contrast formula. Pair rustic plus chic, rough oak tables plus lace runner, oven baskets plus pastel chalk, antique cabinets plus soft floral ceramics. Galvanized metal vase plus fresh roses. This contrast is what makes the style uniquely charming. Fabrics and textiles, softening the rustic. Rustic textures can be heavy, but Chic cottage fabrics lighten the room. Best fabric: use linen, cotton, crochet, soft gingham, floral prints, light tulle, subtle stripes. Decorators avoid shiny or synthetic materials because they break the winter softness. The farmhouse heritage look. Country chic rustic farmhouse often includes items that look heritage inspired. Examples: vintage clocks, antique bedboards, iron kettles, wooden cradles, old farming tools as decor, heirloom coils, rustic oil plates. The speeches add emotional depth and visual history. Advanced color layering. Professionals use a three-layer tone system. Base color, light materials like white, cream, ivory, pelicree. Middle layer, warm nude naturals. Use wood tones, jute, wicker, and clay. Accent layer, soft colors. Use dusty rose, shells green, wilted blue, or that teal. This layering keeps the house airy, soft, and cohesive. How it makes a home feel. This decor style creates a home that feels gently nostalgic, comforting and peaceful, elegantly rustic, bright yet cozy, full of character, calm, airy, and welcoming. It balances farmhouse warmth with chic cottage refinement. Alternative understanding of country chic rustic farmhouse decor. Design philosophy behind this style. Country chic rustic farmhouse decor is so loved because it creates emotional comfort. It connects three physiological elements. First, nostalgia. Uses vintage pieces, aged oud, floral patterns, and old world craftsmanship. Trigger warm emotional memories. Simplicity. Uses muted colors, simple layouts, natural materials, create a sense of peace and solo living. Cozy security. Uses soft fabrics, warm lighting, and natural textures. Create immediate comfort. This combination makes the home feel safe, soulful, and emotionally grounding. Advanced material understanding. Every material used has a design purpose. Reclaimed oud adds history, texture, and authenticity. Galvanized metal and iron balance the softness with a rugged country feel. Wicker and satin lighten the rustic heaviness and brings cottage charm. Natural fabrics, linen and cotton keep the space airy, breathable, and cottage chic. Approved tips: mix at least 5 textures per room to achieve a high-end look. Furniture principles used by professionals. Professional stylists follow 3 rules. Rule 1: anchor with rustic. Accentuate with chic. You don't measure rustic beats like table or cabinet as the room anchor. Add chic cottage items like lamps or textiles for softness. Rule 2: use found or collected pieces. Avoid everything looking new or matching. Mix heirloom styles, vintage, and handmade items. Rule 3: keep curves plus straight lines balanced. Rustic use straight-edged, solid shapes. Chic, curved legs, and soft fabrics. This contrast creates harmony. Signature decorative themes. Here are deep decor themes seen in advanced farmhouse chic styling. Floral softness with vintage rose patterns, wildflower artwork, botanical prints. Vintage farm heritage prints like fabrics, milk cans, wooden crackers, distressed cutting boards. Crafted cottage touches use crochet linens, oven tireless, handmade fabric runners. Natural country elements is fresh greenery, dried lavender, terracotta pots. Each theme adds layered charm. Lighting design at a professional level. Pros create layered lighting for a cozy chic feel. Use overhead lighting, rustic candlelights, distress oat or iron features. Ambient lighting, chamber lamps with linen shades, while sconces, lantern style lights. Accent lighting, like candles, street lights, shelf lights. For warmth, soft lighting completes the farmhouse chic warmth. Accessories and styling, designer label tips, high-end country chic rustic farmhouse styling. Uses, grouping and clustering. Group items in 3s or 5s. Mix height, shapes and textures. Open shelving displays like vintage plates, ceramic jugs, stuffed baskets, cottage books. Show the imperfection. A slightly on frame or chip jug makes the decor authentic, not sloppy. Use textiles layering through blanket plus crochet layers plus pillow mix equal pure chic softness. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.